Good morning. Last night I put up video 300, which was video 33 and 34. 34 is a slowed down version of 33. I put these up with narration, showing what was going on in the videos for the new subscribers who have come in later on in my videos, and to give them a chance to see what is in the earlier videos, and perhaps then they can go back to these numbers 33, 34, and then go to the other videos which were taken off this, slowed down, so they can fully see inside what is causing these orbs. So this morning I'm doing some more on the same vein. So here we go. This first one is number 36. See this glow appeared. I've done this now as 3 frames off the video. As this glow moved up the wall, so the second frame is showing it enveloping my mother's father's plaque, rolled up plaque. And then the third frame shows it at ceiling level over the plaque, and then it disappears into the ceiling. If you go back to video 36, and you'll see then near it, I can't think of the exact number, but it's called Same Dust, Same Room, Different Day, and you'll see the whole video. I have to move on to the next one now. This is video 49. Now this is a video. I'll stop in a minute. My daughter was a bit skeptical, so she said, because I'd been doing all these old videos in my house, she said, "We'll try it in my house," her house, which was a brand new build, to see if it happened there. And as you see from this video, it definitely appeared here. Now you see, here's the orb coming in. It's come through the glass, and it's making its way along here. And then it ends up. Whoop, and gone. And back. And then it goes off into the distance. But then another one goes through here, and it's like a worm being sucked through the air. Most of the videos of these types of orbs, they seem to be, they pull themselves like a worm, push through the air. And So it works. Now number 50, somebody asked me to put it up, the original video, at the original speed so they can see what it came from. Now this is the whole video as filmed. Did you see that then? There. That. This is the bit in video 49 where the orb came in, and then once it got here, it made a beeline for my daughter's head. The head disappeared, and as it went past, the head popped back. And then it was like a reenactment here. It sucked the lamp in, and as it went past, the lamp popped back. So, you know, when you look at this video 50, you think, with that yellow going past you, you don't give it a second thought. But then I decided to slow it down on that, and it came up with video 49, which was totally different. It's well worth going back through these old ones. It's now this next one. This one shows about the power of thought. I was thinking something to myself. When I put up my mother and father's photograph, and my mother's father's rolled up scroll next to it. And I was thinking, my mother had died. 7 years later, my father died. But she was religious, he wasn't. But he was a good man. So I just wanted to know whether they were still together. I did one video on this, but I got so emotional that I was criticized by a religious person. Pull myself together. Death is death. You know, get on with your life. Anyway, I had asked, were they together? And I think you'll see from this video, I got my answer, which was a resounding yes. Watch here. You notice at this point it's come out of the grate, gone up the side, gone from oval shaped to circular, gone up the side, turned left over the photo and turned into an elongated pair of conjoined orbs. But when it gets, it's unbelievable that it's gone up and turned left. But when it gets to the edge of my mother's father's photograph, roller plaque, it stops dead in its track and goes into reverse. Wait for this. Power of thought. Now, did I get a message from my mother and father together? Or did I create this orb to do what I wanted to do? I don't know. I'm just asking questions. I got a totally open mind, as you've found from my videos. So I'm just playing with this to see what becomes of it. Okay, thank you.